Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you change an exterior door knob. First, gather your essential tools for this project. You will need both a Phillips head and a flathead screwdriver. A tape measure is useful for checking the backset, which is the distance from the door's edge to the center of the borehole, typically 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches. Ensure your new door knob set is complete with all its components. Now let's remove the old doorknob. On the interior side, you'll find 2 screws, usually Phillips head. Unscrew these completely. Once the screws are out, gently pull the interior and exterior knob assemblies apart. They should separate easily. Next, remove the 2 smaller screws holding the latch plate in place on the door's edge, then slide the latch mechanism out of the door. This clears the way for your new hardware. With the old hardware removed, it's time to install your new doorknob. First, insert the new latch mechanism into the door's edge, making sure the angled side of the latch faces the door frame. Secure it with the 2 small screws. Next, slide the exterior knob assembly into the door, aligning its spindle with the latch. Then, attach the interior knob, ensuring the mounting posts align perfectly with the exterior knob's holes. This ensures a smooth fit. Finally, let's secure and test your new doorknob. Insert and tighten the 2 long screws that connect the interior and exterior assemblies. Do not over-tighten, as this can bind the mechanism. Now, test the doorknob's operation from both sides, ensuring the latch fully retracts and extends smoothly. Use your key to confirm the lock mechanism functions correctly. Make any minor adjustments to the screws for optimal performance and a secure, functional door.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.